we have the values that is cos 2 pi upon 3. It means that is cos of 2 into pi is 180 divided by 3. It is 2 into 60. This is 60. That is 120. So this can be written as minus 1 upon 2. Hence sine 2 pi upon 3 is equal to sine 120 degrees. Directly is equal to root 3 by 2. So in this manner we have the values. Then we have again, yes, 1 plus I. This is equal to, yes, this point lies in first quadrant. This point lies in first quadrant. So we have to compare this, as this is z is equal to 1 plus I. Again, z is equal to, we have to take general form x plus iy. Hence, while comparing these two, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 1. In this manner, we have to r is equal to root of x square plus y square. This is 1 square plus 1 square. This is equal to root 2. So in this manner we have that is equal to root 2 into cos 30, that is pi by 2, pi by 4, plus I sin pi by 4. It is equal to root 2 into e to the power I into pi divided by 4. So this is the result. So we have, in this manner we can calculate again 1 plus I root 3. This is equal to, yes, we can calculate, yes, r. How it is? R is equal to root of x square plus y square. X is 1, y is 1. Root of, yes, root here we have to write note here, yes, 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. That is equal to 2 into e raised to I into pi by 3. Likewise, the same result we have in this. So again, we have to write yes, we have here example. So if x suffix r is equal to cos pi upon 2 raised to r plus I sin pi upon 2 raised to r, then we have the values x1, x2, x3. Yes, this is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 is equal to cos pi, and this is equal to minus 1. Cos 1, it is minus 1. So we have to remember this all. Again we have the result. Example, show that a plus ib to the power m upon n plus a minus ib to the power m by n. This result has been written likewise this 2 into a square plus b square upon m raised to m upon 2n into cos of m by n into tan inverse b by a. So this is the result we have. Yes, it means we can write this for a minus ib is equal to r into e to the power I theta, e to the power I theta. A minus ib, here minus is there, r into e to the power minus I theta. R square is equal to a square plus b square. Theta is equal to tan theta, tan inverse b by a. So in this manner we have again the addition, that is this plus this. This addition can be noted as, that is equal to again r into e to the power minus e to the power I theta m by n plus r into minus I theta yes m by n having power. So that could be again r having the power same, r raised to m by n, then e to the power m I theta, m I theta by n plus e to the power minus of I m theta I m theta upon n. So in this manner we have to write this is equal to again r to the power m by n into 2 into cos m by n into theta. This is we have to write such a thing that could be again written as this is equal to 2 times a square plus b square raised to half, that is raised to m by n, m by n. This is equal to cos m by n into tan inverse b by a. 2 into a square plus b square m to the power m by a 2n into cos m by n into tan inverse b by a. So likewise this explain the whole thing likewise one by one. Here we have to, yes, we have to compare we have given the complex number, this one a plus ib, here a minus ib. This complex number has to be compared with x plus iy, and then we have to find the value. So A is equal to B is equal to, then put into the format R into root of A square plus B square. Then find the value of R. The R is, yes, R square is equal to A square plus B square. R is equal to root of this A square plus B square. Theta can be calculated tan inverse B upon A. Then this R into E I theta m by n plus R into E I theta m by n. So in this manner we have to take the common from this R m by n. Then we have the result 2 A square plus B square. Yes, that is to the power half, and its power is m by n. So in this manner we have to calculate all this. Again, if z is equal to -1 plus I root 3 and n is integer, then we can calculate z is equal to, suppose this is equal to, this is given, this -1 plus I root 3. So R can be calculated -1 upon 2 plus I root 3 by 2. This is equal to 2 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus I into sin 2 pi by 3. That's equal to into e raised to 2 pi into I upon 3. So this was the result we know. So in this manner we have to calculate all the results. Applications of De Moivre's theorem. Application is given. Again, we have to note again, yes, z is equal to 1 plus or minus I. So this is equal to, z is equal to root 2 and 1 upon 2 root 2 plus or minus I into 1 upon root 2. This is equal to root 2. It means cos of pi by 4, 45, cos 45 plus or minus I sin pi by 4. See, R is equal to root 2 and theta is equal to pi by 4. The polar coordinate we can calculate, hence R is equal to root 2 and theta is equal to pi by 4. In this manner we have again the result. We can show this. This B says z is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. This is equal to, R is equal to, yes, we have to compare this one and then find R. R is 2. Yes, in bracket 1 upon 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. This is 2. Yes, this is cos 60. Cos 60 means cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. In this manner, we have to calculate z is equal to root 3 minus I. Yes, we have to find R. R is 2. Then root 3 by 2 minus I 1 upon 2. That is equal to 2 into cos pi by 6 minus I into sin pi by 6. So in this manner we have